slime rancher. So we're going to do day 12 of the Twinkle Slime of the Wiggly Wonderland. So I'm at the teleporter to the Indigo Quarry, Volcanic Island. That's the place. Now we just need to look around. So my name's Leonardo, not Leonardo. Leonardo. So let's now just go looking for him. Let's hope he's still around, because for me it's super late at night. I spent my entire day just having lots of fun. Hey, I hear a lucky slime. Hey, there's a lucky slime. And what's all this? Well, Shelly's doing. Maybe our spoons then. Nope. Nothing there. I mean, like, he didn't go in there. So, for now, that was easy. I hear him. And there he is. That's pretty easy. That's actually easier than I expected. Please tell me there are gonna be new instruments. Just started exploding him. It's very noisy. It's super noisy. Nope. No instruments today. So tomorrow's sadly the last day. That really annoys me. Okay, let's keep going. Let's go to... Maybe it's like... Yeah, that was definitely it. What? I don't know any musics that's been sprayed out. So anyway, let's just go home. Wait, what? Where's that music coming from? Oh, I see, my trappy thingy. My type of thing that's a bit... Oh no! That's a bit crappy. Yeah. I'll take him off. I'll pick him up. I'll turn him into the one that's not so crappy. Because that one's better. I can speed up the time. It's finished. Here we go. Gee. Now here, I need to do this. So I need to write place gadget site. So where's P? P U A K E no. G add A D, where's D? G et site sit it done. Enter, go. T. Pff, nothing. For a reason, there's nothing. Fine, let's try again. But this time not in capital letters. P O A K E G G A D G et it So that's it. That's the command. And there it is. Now we will put another one. So what you do is to open this, you hit Ctrl and Tab. I don't know how to read those. Tab I know. Just that one. The Control. Yes, Control. My sister told me. Okay, thanks to my sister. Okay. Enter. What we're gonna do is something a bit crazy. Oh. There we go. So in all those, let's put a special one, a special thing. It's not warp tech. It's one of those. No, not learn more. Install. 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 So now you see these hydro turrets. That one's finished. Okay, let's make it. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, let's make it morning. So let's skip to the next day. And you'll notice it's done. So now what we have to do is spawn tar 100. So let's do there still was tar, so like this we can see how they would go. Okay. Tar slime 100. No. Ime. Okay. The easiest part is 1, 0, 0. Easy, done. Now, boom. Oh, look at that! What the? Oh man! These hydro turrets are snipers! Oh, look at this scared buddy. Look at them. Aww, I feel bad for them. I feel bad for them just making that explosion of tars. I feel so sorry for them. So anyways, let's see if there are any upgrades. I'll tell you what's gonna happen on the next video, just after I've seen the upgrades. Nope. Just the gate hack that you could take off because I still have my gate hack on. Anyways, on the next video, we're going to and it's actually super real, we're going to, in the glass desert, just like, you know, like at the end, like we're gonna do lots of gold gordos there. We're gonna put so many gold gordos. Only gilded gingers on Master Gordo's snares allowed. And then we are going to actually put gilded gingers in there. I don't know how many of them will there be, but maybe 100 gold gordos. Because in our ranch, we got 50 gold gordos. 50 gold gordos in our ranch. So anyways, bye, and I hope you give lots of thumbs up.